Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Duality, Prayer, Agba digbo olewo laku erumeji, psirikiki bajakuno, karan omo anabiko semibitani kobo, tokoso kolebo, jumo kolageri. Odùdùwà Aláwànà, eniyan eti egungun, alala sena apa mata, opeleri mariwo, Òrúnmìlà afuribi oye adabibare lodafun, egungun, mejini Odàrà. Patakin, Story. On this path, Aláwànà was a very powerful being who had an unusually large brain, which allowed him to exist in both realms at once, the inner world of spirit and the outer material world that surrounded him. When he was fully immersed in the power of the inner world, he could not hear what his children were saying, and they thought that Odùdùwà Aláwànà was deaf. His children were agwemas. One day, Òrúnmìlà visited his house to perform an ozod, divination, and this Ifa appeared, instructing him to make ibo using 2 whistles, one open and one closed. When Òrúnmìlà blew the open whistle, Odùdùwà awakened from the inner spiritual realm and returned to the external material one. He descended from the palm tree where his house was located, wrapped in a white sheet, fulfilling all his children's requests and bowing in mofaribale to Òrúnmìlà. Thanks to him, the ebo, and the sign Ògbè Bàrà, he was able to communicate with both the material and the spiritual realms.